Hi and welcome back to another football show review. Today we are looking at a leaked Manchester City shirt for the 25-26 season, and this was purchased from kitmm.com. I will leave all the details to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller. Probably won't be for this exact item, but I'll see what I can find. The shirt comes in a standard Puma bag, and on the flip side it is plain. Now, I've done a few of the leaked 25-26 shirts, so it'll be interesting to see what this one's like. Looking at the Puma, just there, this is the fan version because that's been embroidered in. So if you do enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That said, the seller is kitmm.com. All details in the description of this video. So let's get this bag undone and have a look at the Manchester City leaked away shirt for the home shirt. Not leaked away, have I been saying away through this? Got me wondering now, but this is the leaked home shirt for the 25-26 season. Okay, we start at the front of the shirt, and it's got just your traditional like a V-neck sort of colour. Oh, there's a loose thread. Quite a long one actually, just there. But a pair of scissors will soon sort that out. We've got the Puma, that's been embroidered in, and we also have a Puma embroidered in on the sleeve. There's a crease from the bag there, but nothing I don't believe to be worried about. Manchester City badge, again, another loose thread up there. And to be fair, when you get these leaked shirts, you do tend to get a lot of these loose threads. The badge's been embroidered in, it feels nice. And then you've got the Etihad Airways, and that's been heat pressed on. Slightly rough on the E, but the rest of it feels very nice. On the sleeve, we do have a sleeve sponsor, and that feels absolutely perfect, actually. And the Puma, again, embroidered in at the top there. Down the bottom, we have the authentic licensed football Puma emblem. And on this side, we have dry cell. If I put my hand underneath the material, you can't really see it, to be fair. I'm trying to get the light. But no, the material's like a silky sort of feel. But yeah, not too see-through, which is very nice to see. You've got some white banding on the sides there, and obviously the white band on the sleeve, another little loose thread there. But again, nothing overly to be too concerned about. But that's the front of this leaked shirt. We'll flip it around now, and we'll look at the reverse side of this Manchester City home shirt for the 25-26 season. Okay, we're on to the reverse side, and to be fair, as you can see, the reverse side is very plain. I've got no name, no number, nothing on this one. It hasn't got any information up here, which we've seen on a couple of the last Man City shirts. But yeah, I've left it plain because at this stage it is a leaked shirt and we don't know any names or numbers. I could go for Haaland, but yeah, if I did, no doubt he would leave. Or even the Fontaine, I don't know if that's been confirmed for the next season or not yet. So I leave them plain. It is a leaked shirt, as we said, so this might not even be how the official shirt looks when it does get released. A fair few creases, but again, that's from it being in the bag, and once the shirt's been worn or washed, then those creases will soon disappear. But there's nothing on the back of this one. It is a plain blue shirt. So we will flip it inside out and take a look at the inside of the shirt now. Okay, we're now on the inside, and we do have one of the traditional Manchester City tags with the plastic bit on there. It is a size XL, so for me, this will fit pretty much as an XL shirt would fit. Puma on the sleeve, so it's been embroidered in. Pretty good join actually, and we have the sponsor there. No worries, again, creasing just from it's been the bag, but the press has gone on nicely. The badge, just a join at the top there, quite a bit of stitching join up there, but nothing to really worry about. And that Puma doesn't look too bad. With Pumas, they tend to be, you get quite a lot of card around them, and it's one of those ones that I would always wear like an undershirt or something underneath it. But to be honest with you, these ones are not too bad. We have the Etihad Airways sponsor. That feels nice and smooth on the inside. And then down the bottom, we have the washing instructions. The recommendation for when you're looking to wash these shirts is to flip them inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry them, just let them hang dry. Do not tumble dry or anything like that, because otherwise your prints will come off. You do have a QR code and a product tag there. Those are just going to be pretty standard. They put them in there just to make them look a little bit more authentic. Just thinking that you can just about see my hand on this side, so actually maybe it is a little bit see-through. Not too bad, to be fair, compared to some of the ones that we've seen, but look, there you go. We've got our tag there, but you can just about see my hand through that one. But yeah, pretty good on the inside. Move that tag out of the way. There we go. We'll flip it around now and we'll look at the final part of the inside of this shirt. But yeah, for a leaked one, we've got a few loose cottons, but overall, I think it's pretty good. Okay, the final part now, the inside of the shirt. We do have the collar that follows around, and you've got this little additional support. I guess that's so you don't get the stitching rubbing on the neckline. Quite a nice little touch. We have the Refiber Puma tag, Puma again XL, that's been pressed on, and that feels pretty good actually. If I push in on the material here, just seeing if we can see the badge, you can just about make out the outlines of the badge there. Puma's there, and again you can just about make that out as well. But all in all, the material is not overly too see-through. Stitching though, all looks pretty good on this part of the inside of the shirt. Just checking all the joins, and yeah, looking good. There is a loose cotton down there, but again, nothing really to worry about. No one's going to really notice them on the inside. So yeah, pretty good on the stitching. The old loose stitching, but nothing to cry about, I would say. And there we have it, our Manchester City leaked home shirt for the 25-26 season. This shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. For a leaked one, this isn't too bad. You tend to get some really poor leaks at the start of or way before the start of the season, should I say. And we've got the usual loose threads up there, around there, and some on the inside. But all in all, for a leaked one, this is a pretty good representation. It'll be interesting to see whether Manchester City run with this shirt or not. I quite like it. It's got the newer style blue, and then I think Manchester City had like a darker blue back in the day, so it's calling on some of the retro heritage, let's say. But all in all, yeah, a really nice shirt. I will leave a link in the description as well to dhgate for my usual seller, so it just gives you the option. It probably won't be for this shirt, but I'll try and find Manchester City ones in general. But if you have enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Seller, kitmm.com. All the information for them will be in the description of the video as well. But I hope you've enjoyed this Manchester City leaked shirt for the 25-26 season. It is the leaked home shirt. I quite like it actually. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.